Bagi khubor ka Batesi TV, ka undi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangmau lakan taj bania thu bania halor ke jingkam jong ke sengking atiar Hinyau Trap National Liberation Council balasya khen bean ba kalapan betai yo bom IED haga shlem trekam jong ke Dhar Company haga shinong Shimplong kabadon ha East Giant Hills District. Haga jing ekran bat gelar pathai khubor u Konrad Sangmau laong ba ke jingkeno jong ke Hnlc usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela uba sniaw halang Dhar kalong markhong pong nomor bakani ke sengking atiar Mynshwa ka kam ba uba Dhar uju Siew ya ke pisa bala dawa da ka seng kat ba Mynta pat ka kam ba shimla Siew ya ke pisa bala dawa haga bayadei bat kani u Konrad Sangmau laong bagi Pulit kin sale la ka jong ka Kamram ban kem ya ki bedon kti haga ni ka kam bemman.
So, sir, how many politicians in Meghalaya are being served with demand notes by the Hnlc?
That details I don't have with me, but earlier they were saying that he was paying, and now they're saying that he's not paying. So it's quite a bit of contradictory thing. But the point here is that that obviously this kind of things will not be tolerated by the government, and I don't want to go too much into details. But the police has made very very strong links, and I should say they have come to the conclusion they have information enough to act on this incident, and with full evidence, and so therefore we will be I'm sure the SP will be sharing that with you tomorrow. I'm aware about it, but it's inappropriate for me to share. So action has been taken, police has been very swift, and we have enough to act on the information on the incident that has happened, and the individuals behind that will definitely be picked up.